So, welcome YouTube. Today I'm gonna be recording me playing screw with my cat some. Alright, so his name is Mario, but I'm sure you've seen his breed of cats on like TikTok and other places on the internet. He's my aunt found him wandering the streets out in Fergus, but cats soon later came over to my house now. He's a young candy. Likes to meow for his canned cat meat. One of his favorite things to do is be lazy and sleep everywhere. Then goes be a jerk to the other cat, slapping her up, like with his paw. Get into the cat fight they always get in. Then my dog steps in the middle of it, and oh crap, just starts making noises. The cat's doing the meows, my dog barking loudly. He hates being held. He'll scratch you and hiss and try to tug and try to push off of you, then ends up just hurting himself. Even if you're trying to help him, he meows and does all that crap. But he sleeps the daylight, as most cats would that I know of. I'm sure once he grows more, becomes older, he'll become like that. He'll become mega fat, kind of like a football size, and that's whenever I can start putting the vacuum on and watch him struggle to try to get it off like people on TikTok do. But that's all the time I got for now. I got my camera up on my tripod, so it's a little struggle. So, see you guys in the next video.